my beauties, I thought I'm actually in the middle of filming something, but I thought let me just do a quick video on how I do my brows. So what I do, I have everything on, and the look that I have is done with the Freya palette from Oden's I will link it. But I have here my favorite brow pencil. It's from Catrice. It is one of the ultra slim pencils. So yes, you can technically get real expensive ones, but this is a cheap one. I have mine in the color Cool Brown, and I really like this pencil. So I use a combination of things. I use this pencil and then I set it in place with the Catrice Brow semi-permanent brow mascara in the color Dark. I will show it to you in a bit. But what I do first, I brush them up. Not that they stay like that, but like so. And then I twist up the pencil. I actually put my elbow on the table so that I have something to lean against. And then I just do strokes up in the front part. Like that. Then I put a line, well, actually underneath my brow. Back, like that. And then I kinda, I don't know, fill in the rest. Like so. And then I go down here. My brows aren't perfect, but I don't care. I tried the big brows, it doesn't fit my face. And then I brush through again. That's one eyebrow done. So let's repeat that on the other side. So first I'm going to do strokes up. I need a little bit more pencil. Then the line underneath. Like so. I don't chisel out my eyebrows. That's not me. I try to get them even-ish. And then I brush through again. And sometimes they are better than... Okay, so I think that's fine. Now I take my brow mascara. I kind of wipe away any excess on the brush, on the tube that I have. This is what it looks like. And then I just plop it in. Starting at the front again. Brushing kind of a bit up and back, because I can brush them up but they won't stay like that. And then I just go like that. Alright, so brush kind of up again. And then I don't keep brushing up because my brows won't stay in place that way. I just kind of follow the shape of my brow. Sometimes I need to press down a hair if it's rambunctious. But yeah, that's it. That is my brow routine. So that's a really quick video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what your favorite brow products are and how you do your brows. So yeah, that was it. I'm signing off. I wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye guys.